Hey guys, it's me, Millie here, and today I am playing Fast and Famous with Maisie.
Oh yeah. Okay. What's the theme for the next one? Okay, so let's see. I want to show you my new outfit.
Maisie, my mouse won't work.
Just keep clicking.
Yeah, it still won't.
Okay, 1 second, guys. I'm just gonna see what's wrong with Millie's mouse. Just keep clicking it and moving it around.
Okay.
What is the next thing?
It was a matter with
Yeah.
Wait, how much?
It's working now.
No.
Okay, like that.
No, Maisie, why? What is it?
My dark side. Well, it's hard. I need a hair that was really scary. Something that I would wear in a horror movie. I don't want this. Get it off. Okay. Just take this hair. Oh my god, I've got the best idea ever. Okay.
Okay, that's cute.
You might know what I'm doing just by the color of the hair. Okay. I think, okay, so where is the faces?
Who are you doing, Maisie?
What?
Who are you doing?
Let's say you can see, that is the same.
I don't care now. I'm just trying to get a face, a cute, not a cute face, like a thing. Scary face.
It's like a girl version of it. So, yeah. Okay, let's go get some better colour skin.
Yay.
It's nice and tan, isn't it?
I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't even look like an evil person.
I think I might need the light and see. Yeah, it's
That looks more like an evil person.
I've done nothing.
Right, so that's pretty crazy. Mm.
Is there any dungarees?
What the heck are you talking about?
Oh, there's
I don't know what the heck you're talking about either.
is there anyone with a red top? Well,
I'm going to try to find you right now. Okay, that's what I'm going to look like right now. I got all lipstick over it now. Alright, is there any devil ones? Yes, here. Alright. Right. I'm just trying to go with the evil girl. Ooh, I know what I'm going to do. I'm trying to get this, but I can't. Where's the devil horns? Hey, Maisie. They look a bit dark there. Yeah, I got the horns. Maisie, I got the horns.
No, this looks bad. This looks bad.
I have horns.
You know what? I'm just keeping it now. Okay.
I have horns, Maisie.
Yes, you thought of.
Have horns.
Yeah, cool. Mine is not.
Oh my god, Maisie, I see. I saw. No, I thought that was you then. The Scarlet Jackson. Maisie, I can't vote you. Oh yeah, I can, yeah. I'm not going to vote anyone else. Though.
It's time to vote for the best outfits. Me and Millie have to vote each other 5.
Yeah.
Shush, Paul. Oh, she looks so cute. It's not really a dark side.
Maisie, I can't vote. Look, I can't move my mouth, so at least I can vote 5 for you.
Yeah.
At least I'm on the star side. Thank you. But,
Evil.
mm.
I'll give it. It's okay, but not really deeply.
Me? Hello.
Oh, Millie, you're amazing.
I'm gonna go with dark skin, but I didn't have time. Hey girl.
I'm Chucky.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I love that.
Cross mine. No, that is just weird. You need a top on.
Mm. No. Mate.
That is not that.
Yeah, that's like a.
That outfit has nothing to do with the theme.
Or maybe he's trying to go with Chucky.
Got 12 EQ. No.
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 No. No. No. No. No. No. No. Go.
No.
No.
At least trying.
Mm.
Last but not least, why are people got like really cute outfits?
I know. It's supposed to be
They're
dark
like,
side.
I'm gonna win, but anyhow.
I feel like I'm gonna lose.
Watch us now, yeah, Millie can
No.
Okay. The results and the winners are.
Oh, I came third. Woof.
What? Oh, she got sacked. Oh my god.
Eee.
That is stupid. You came 4.
At least he came after me.
What?
At least
You got
he.
the same than that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh, boo. Maze. I even look cute lamb with. I can't even move my mouse. Yeah.
what do you buy with money? What do you buy with the money?
I don't know. What's that thing, Maisie?
I don't know. What is we could buy with it?
Look at me, girls. Hey. Yeah. Do you like my dress?
What?
Do you like my dress?
Yeah.
I made it look
I didn't
evil.
like that.
It's cute.
I'm a pretty model.
I'm an evil model.
Yeah, this is probably going to be the last answer. You know what? No, I'm not doing this.
What is it, Maze? How do I leave? Maze, I don't know how to leave.
You don't have to find
I leave. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.